Hey guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. Today we're going over A&A gear kits, and pretty much what it is every time you install a gear kit, we've been getting a lot of phone calls and questions on is it normal if it makes a loud bang or if it jolts in there. So we're gonna go over that right now. All right, and we're back. So I have got an A&A low profile valve here, and what I want to show you, we'll switch cameras over here, is when you install these things and when you're popping them back in, they sometimes make a loud bang. So it goes like that, and it's really hard sometimes to actually put them in there. So what we've noticed is that that's all normal. You know, we've talked to A&A about it and they like that. They like that because it's a tight fit for their gears. And so that way there's no wiggle room so gears don't wear out faster. So if you see here, you've got the teeth on the outside and the teeth on the gears. So it's gonna be a really, really snug fit because they want these things to sit almost like perfectly flush. So every time that this thing moves, there's no wiggle back and forth because I mean, it's like it's locked in there. So every time that we install these things, let me see if I can do it again. If there's a loud bang, there you go. See how it's kind of difficult? You want it to get in there really kind of snug. That actually went in the smoothest I've ever done in my life, go figure. But yeah, sometimes there's a loud bang. It's just seating itself in the proper area, so it's all normal. So yeah, so if you feel a loud bang, if it's hard to push it in there, it's all normal. So just get it in there. It'll slide in the grooves. Just make sure it's all the way down and you're good to go. I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.